me!
You'll never escape, Team J!
This way!
Knew this was a trap! Why would a mysterious stranger give us free tickets to a maze of mirrors?
Some people are just nice.
It doesn't matter which way you go. Every path leads you closer to me!
Hey! Wait up! Looking good, Duke.
Aye! Duke! Why are you taking a selfie? We have to escape.
At least I can do more than one thing at once. You can't even watch where you're running.
And you can only watch your own reflection.
Meana.
Jay.
Oh, hey, Petunia.
Hi, Jay. You're right on time. Behold my mirror!
What, something in my teeth?
This is my magic mirror! 7 months pocket money and totally worth it! When I press this button, whoever the mirrors are pointing at will swap bodies. You will be my show-jumping horse right after I zap Petunia's obedient brain into your perfect body. Say what now? Check this barcode face.
Stop!
Whirlwind strike! No!
Fitness freak?
Cheddar ball!
What's that? Some kind of selfie stick.
What's happening? Oh!
Cami!
Duke!
My mirror!
You're okay.
Not even close.
Duke? What happened to your voice?
I'm Cami. That's Duke.
Hi, Jay.
Hurry up, Petunia! Hurry up! I'm fixing this mirror and coming back for you, Jay.
You gotta help me, Jay. I'm stuck in this fitness freak's body. All it wants to do is move.
I need a nap. All this body wants to do is sleep and eat and... look in the mirror.
Let's get you back in the right bodies. Your voices are freaking me out.
I don't like being so low on the ground.
Well, I don't like this head.
Here's the tape. Quick, fix the mirror. First of all, I've got hooves. Fine! I'll do everything myself.
Our time is short. The mean girl is fixing her mirror of magic.
Then we need to get in there now. It's team time.
Hand, paw,
Hoof. Nothing's happening.
I've got it! Cami and Duke are in the wrong bodies, so maybe they need to swap places. Gotcha!
hand, paw, move. Go, TJ!
Okay then, not what I had expected.
Come on, let's use it to get over the wall.
Wait, watch out for the...
Meana mine. Go! Ow!
cacti.
Get out of my cactuses. They're very precious. They remind me of my mother. Prickly.
Hey, Jay! Catch them in this!
Time to take out the trash.
Really?
No!
What's going on? Why do I smell so good?
Ew-wee. What's that smell? I've done it! The perfect obedient mind inside the perfect show-jumping body. I'm going to win every trophy in the land.
Hey, Duke! I've got your skills, and you've got mine. Let's use them.
I like the way you think. Brace yourself. Yeah!
Wushu! Catch! I have it.
Whoa! Is everyone back to normal?
Yes!
Yes.
Thanks, Jay.
Great. Now, who's going for pizza?
Cami, I just want to say I rock. And so do you. High five.
Meana? Well, don't just stand there. Get some plant food and turn me towards the light.
What? What is this place? How did I get here? Is that a birthday cake? Well, perhaps a little nibble. Oh,
If it isn't my favorite meal.
mildew.
Try some cake.
Maybe later.
But I made it especially for you.
How sweet?
No, it's a little bitter because of all the worms I used. And frogs.
Frogs! Phew, that was a horrible nightmare. Hey guys, Matteo! Oh, here's his backpack. That's odd. He never goes anywhere without that. Cami's favorite football. Where are they? Seems quiet, maybe too quiet. What if they've been kidnapped? This calls for Detective J. Yo, Duke! Yes, get him. I entered with the stealth of a cat. The hamster they called Duke was nowhere to be found. Perhaps he had taken one last spin of the wheel. Yeah, it was bad luck to spill salt. Left a bad taste in the mouth. The bad, salty taste of crime. Only the famous detective... Only the famous detective... Well, only the famous Only Jay, the world's most famous detective, could solve this case. But all this solving had made him thirsty. Inside Guy's Pizzeria, the usual goons were plotting. I'd wipe the floor with them, but I didn't want to get the floor dirty.
Who you talking to, Jay?
Oh, no one. Don't mind me. The barkeep was playing dumb. I decided to tail the two most likely suspects.
Hi, Jay.
Petunia! Of all the pizza shops in this town, and you want to walk into mine.
Actually, I think this is the only pizza shop. Okay, well, see you later, Jay. Nice hat.
I knew I had to let her go. Some fillies were just trouble. Tailing Mildew and his evil sidekick, Hannibal, was as easy as shooting fish in a barrel. A barrel of slow, stupid fish. Hey, Matteo! I've been looking everywhere. Matteo? Matteo had not been kidnapped after all. The plot had thickened. Thickened like sour milk and turned into cheese. The lumpy, stinky cheese of suspicion.
Surprise! Happy birthday, buddy!
Guys, I thought you'd been kidnapped. Then I thought you didn't want to be my friends.
We wanted your birthday party to be a surprise. Try some cake. No candles, the way you like it.
Aw, you remembered.
Happy birthday!
Mildew mold!
It is I, Mildew Mold. And my evil sidekick, Hannibal.
Sidekick? How very dare you!
Jay was so caught up playing detective, he didn't realize we were following him.
Following me? I was following you.
Fool! We were following you, following us.
Ha! I was actually following you, following me, following you.
We were following you, following us, following
Will
you.
stop that?
You're going to tell me exactly how you use your team magic.
We could do that. We put our hands together.
In a very specific order.
No cheating.
Like this.
I may have spotted a flaw in your plan.
It's team time.
Oh, I said no cheating.
Grand Master Power Strike! Would Bully like a cracker?
Picard. Woohoo!
Since you crashed this party, how about a balloon ride?
You can't trap me. Wait till I zoom away.
Oh, this is the toughest spaghetti I ever ate.
Wait, I have a plan.
Hey-ya!
I'm Mildred. I have a plan.
Not
I don't sound like that.
you, sir, are the most incompetent villain I have ever had the displeasure of working with.
Great work, team.
How about a birthday team selfie?
Aw, guys. At last I had solved the case and discovered the truth. The spongy, yummy truth of friendship.
Who are you talking to there, Jay?
I don't know what's wrong with it.
Look, it's breakfast. No, lunchtime. No, dinner. I'm hungry.
Does that mean it's tomorrow already?
Mildew mold.
Hello, losers.
Meana mine. Why are you in Mildew's hovercraft?
Oh, this? I borrowed it. Hashtag time to get me a pony. Run faster!
Easy for you to say. I got little legs.
Oh, this is fun. I could do this all day.
Whoa!
This way! Oh! Whoa, that was close.
Meana seems more determined than ever to get Jay.
I don't have time for this. It's my karaoke day at the old folks' home. I don't feel right.
What? We're back at the bench? Focus. Head spinning.
This is exactly where we were standing when...
Hello, losers. Hashtag time to get me a pony.
Not again. I thought we'd been through this. Run faster.
She's gaining on us.
This is as fast as hamsters go.
Oh, this is fun. Hashtag again.
Whoa!
You can't hide from me.
Guys,
Yeah?
run!
Head for the train.
How did she find us again down the alley?
And what about that weird repeating thing?
It's happening again! The alley! We keep being pulled back!
But how, wise guy?
You can't hide from me.
Guys,
Yeah?
run!
Head for the pizzeria this time.
Hey, Jay, the usual. Margarita with extra grass.
Meana is using that remote to turn time back so she can find us.
I thought you were supposed to be the bright one. I bought this remote. All I have to do is press rewind, and I can rewind you back to me.
Oh, yeah? Well, rewind these.
Ow!
Uh-oh. I got that feeling again.
We're going backwards! Meana, you gotta stop!
That isn't me.
Where or when are we?
Hey, guys, nice threats.
Thank you, sir. 1897's finest.
Did you say 1897?
Like before the internet, 1897?
How will we get back home? We need the remote. We can fast forward from there. Where is it? And where's Meana?
I've come to take Jay to his new stable.
But wait, what about the rest of us?
You can stay here in 18 whatever.
They can never beat that big machine. They are so little, even the big one.
I'm not leaving anybody anywhere. It's team time.
Handball, who? Go Team J!
Okay, positions around Meana.
They're going to die. I think they have a chance.
Let's make her spin.
Oh, stop that! I just want the pony. I'll snap you back to the Dark Ages.
Great work, guys. Let's go back home.
Hey, you forgot your ball.
You keep it.
Now let's get back to the future. You're amazing.
Phew.
Never know when that might come in handy.
Let's go for pizza. Time travel makes me hungry.